A warm welcome to all my listeners. This is the modern group of institutions approved by AICTE, PCI, NCTE, New Delhi, and affiliated to RGPV Bhopal and DAVV Indore. Myself is Mitesh Sachdeva, working as an assistant professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Alvasa, Indore. Today, in this video lecture series, I am going to start a new unit, that is unit 5th of 4th semester according to the PCI syllabus. The chapter 1 of unit 5th is plant products. In these plant products we have to start the first part, that is fibers. So what is the fibers? They are the hair like raw material directly obtainable from an animal, vegetable or mineral source. That means the fiber is also obtained from certain natural sources and convertible into non-woven fabrics such as paper, or after spinning into yarns into woven cloths. Now come to the classification of fibers. So the fibers is classified into natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from the environment. Maybe the source is vegetable, animal or mineral fibers. So they are also called as phytoconstituents. From the natural vegetables, the fiber is obtained from seeds of cotton, seed fiber that is obtained from that is cotton, best fibers from jute, linen, flax, rami, kenaf. Leaf fibers is obtained from abaca, banana, sisal, henequi, flax, rami, hemp, sun and coir. Now come to the natural animals. The fiber obtained from the animals is wool, silk, hair. And from the mineral fibers it is obtained from asbestos. Further, the man-made fibers are subcategorized into three categories: regenerated man-made fiber, synthetic man-made fiber, other man-made fibers. Regenerated man-made fibers consist of cellulose, viscose, protein acetate, alginate, glycocell. Synthetic man-made fibers are subcategorized into polyesters, polyvinyl acrylic, polyolefin, and others. The other man-made fibers are metallic fibers, glass fibers, and carbon fibers. Now first come to the cotton. The synonym of cotton is raw cotton, purified cotton and absorbent cotton, and its biological sources, it is epidermal trichomes of the seeds of the cultivated species of Gossypium herbaceum, freed from impurities, fats and sterilized, belonging to the family Malvaceae. The chemical constituents is 90% cellulose, 7 to 8% moisture, wax, fat and oil, 0.5% cell content is oil is about 0.5%, cell content is about 0.5%. Now come to the uses part. Uses as a filtering medium in surgical dressings, absorbents and cotton absorbent. Preparation. How can we prepare the cotton from different natural sources? Plant after flowering bear some fruits known as capsules. These 3 to 5 celled capsules bearing numerous seeds covered with hairs known as balls. These balls are collected, dried and taken into ginning press where trichomes are separated from the seeds. Now, separating the trichomes, two type of gins are used: saw gins and roller gins. Saw gins, these are the circular that grip the fibers and pull them through narrow slot. Produces variety with shortened length known as linters or lints, which are used for manufacturing of absorbent cotton. The second way is using the roller gins. By using the roller gins has rough roller to grab the fiber and pull it under a rotating bar. Produces long fibers which are used for preparation of cloth. The impurities removed from the raw fiber, washed, bleached, dried, packed and sterilized by gamma radiations. Then the raw fibers passed through the pipes to a press where it is compressed into balls. that is 55-inch tall balls has been prepared. The second plant product is jute. This is also an important fiber used for the preparation of various household products. The synonym is gunny. The biological source is it consists of phloem fibers from the stem of various species of the Corchonus C. capsularis. The other biological source is C. olitorius and family is Tiliaceae. The chemical constituents is it consists of cellulose 50 to 53%, hemicellulose 20%, lignin 10 to 11%, moisture not more than 12 to 13%. Further, it is used for making cloth for wrapping bales of raw cotton. How can we prepare the jute? It is prepared by retting is the process for preparation of bast fibers. Retting employs the action of microorganisms and moisture on plants to dissolve or not away or rot away much of the cellular tissues and pectins surrounding bast fibers bundles facilitating the separation of fiber from the stem. The type of retting mechanical, chemical, microbial. Steam, vapor, dew, or water. Most popular of these is water retting, which involves submerging bundles of stalks in water. Water penetrates into the central stalk portion, inner cells swell, outermost layer burst, increasing the absorption of moisture and decay producing bacteria. Further, retting breaks the lignin bonds present between sclerenchyma and parenchyma, which facilitates the easy formation of jute. The third plant product under the fibers is hemp. Hemp is in ancient records described the use of hemp in China in 2000 BC. It is bast fiber that is soft and durable that comes from the plant Cannabis sativa. This is the biological source and the family is Moraceae. Now it is cultivated in almost every European country and in Asia. Hemp fibers Hemp reach a height of more than 10 feet due to its astonishing adaptability to altitude. It can reach to a height of nearly 8,000 feet. Hemp is a dioecious plant, that is, male and female flowers are born on the separate plant. Male plants are plucked 2 to 3 weeks before female plant. The male plant is shorter and thinner while female plant is strong. Male plant ratted in 10 days while female plant ratted in 3 weeks. In dew ratting like flax ratting, hemp stems are left to lie in the field to allow humidity and heat to stimulate the growth of microorganisms. Fibers produced by dew ratting are of medium length and dark in color because molds attach both pectin and cellulose. For water retting, rivers or tanks are used. Uppermost hemp should be submerged 4 inches below the water surface and lowermost should be 20 inches below the water surface. After 4 days, fiber strands begin to separate from woody portion. Retting process continue and completes when fibers show white color. It makes about 7 to 9 days. After washing in the same tank, fibers are dried and stored. Come to the macro structure of hemp. Hemp fiber is light in color and has a high luster like flax. Hemp looks like this, light in color and high luster like flax. Under the microscope, its longitudinal view shows frequent joints and fractures. Its diameter appear uneven and shows attachment of fragmentary tissues. The lumen is broad. The cross-section cells have a round edges and not so sharp and polygonal as those of jute. Hemp is not entirely pure cellulose. It appears to be mixture of cellulose and lignocellulose. Important properties of hemp. Hemp fineness is less than that of linen, but its tensile strength is appreciably greater. Hemp is more hygroscopic than cotton due to its structure. Hydrochloric acid and potassium hydroxide produce a brown color while ammonia produces a violet color. Its specific gravity is 1.48 to 1.5. Tonicity is 48 gram per text. MR is 12%. Uses: hemp seeds contain all the essential amino acids and essential fatty acids necessary to maintain healthy human life. The seeds can be eaten raw, ground into a meal, sprouted, made into hemp milk, prepared as tea, and used in baking. The fresh leaves can also be eaten in salads. Product include cereals and not nut butters. Hemp can be cottonized but do not spin easily. Alone useful yarns when mixed with cotton. Identification test for fibers: ignition, rapid burn in the presence of fire, rapid burning with flame, no fall odor, no bad white ash, same. Molish test: violet color. There is no test with Pickrick and Millen's reagent. Solubility: coxswain swells dissolve, insoluble. Hemp is also soluble. In potassium hydroxide, cotton is insoluble. Non-absorbent cotton is insoluble. Jute is insoluble. Hemp is insoluble. In concentrated HCl, cotton insoluble, non-absorbent insoluble, jute is insoluble, hemp is insoluble. In sulfuric acid, all are soluble. Fluoroglycinol HCl, only jute is gives deep red color and hemp gives light red color. Chloro zinc iodide, absorbent cotton gives blue color, non-absorbent violet, jute gives yellow, and hemp gives purple color. Thank you. Thank to all for listening the video lecture series.